guys, welcome back to Heart and Soul Homes. My name is Monica. Today I am redoing my master bathroom. It's a quick and easy and inexpensive way to update your a bathroom or a bedroom, and you don't have to stay committed. So let's get into it.
Wake up, baby, all the stars are shining bright. Yeah, we should stay up so that we can look at them all night. Just keep holding me, don't let me go. Everything's so magical. All I need is you tonight. If I shut my eyes, keeping them closed, all of the senses explodes. You and me under the sky. Let's stay up all night, give our hearts a new beginning. When we fell in love, every second, every minute we were high.
Okay, first off, I'm gonna do some quick cleanup around the surrounding areas, wipe down everything so that everything's a fresh start. I have already hung some things which I'm gonna insert so you can see how I did it. They are amazing decals, and I'm gonna go ahead and link them below so you guys can, there's all different ideas of whatever decor you're going with. So, but I'm gonna do a quick cleanup and then we'll get to decorating.
Didn't waste our time, didn't sleep as much as now. Let's stay up all I don't wanna fall for you, oh no. But you make it so hard. Watching you dance all night, baby, is making me fall hard. Trying to take a deep breath, but I just can't control my lungs. Ooh. Trying to hide my cold sweat, but I just keep on talking in tongues.
to share this with you. This made such a huge difference, and I feel like a totally different bathroom, and I'm so excited. And the greatest part is it only cost me, okay, so $60 was the cost of the paint. The decals are $100. I'm going to link them below. The paint is Repost Gray from Sherwin-Williams. It's the same gray I used in my bedroom, I used in our powder room. It's just the perfect gray neutral. So the base is the Repost Gray, and then the decals were from Amazon. They're $100. I will link them below. And then I will show you the rug, and it was $130 on sale at Target. I ordered it, had it shipped here. Everything else I had, except for the one painting that I made, but I already had the canvas. I bought the paints. They might have been $15, $20 in paint. I'm not even positive, but you know, you may already have acrylic paints at home, or you know, everything else. If I had to make a change, I might have spray painted. I'll show you as I go through the room. I spray painted a couple pieces, and I mean, it's just like a completely different room, and I'm so excited. Okay, so let me get you a tour. Okay, so as you walk into the bathroom, I have my toilet closet here. Pretty much everything is the same. It got painted. I did put back up all of my crosses. Just a design idea or a design hack is when you have a bunch of the same type of items, you know, like these crosses, group them all in one, like on one wall in one area. They're all different. They have all different colors and shapes and metals and woods and acrylic and all that kind of stuff. I'm missing one fell off and broke, but yeah, just put them all together, group them all together, and it just is very pleasing to the eye. This was all the same. This was silver, and I just painted it this real beautiful light blue, the same that I did a table you'll see coming up. So I did, this is different. This used to be in the powder room. It's kind of hard to film in here because it's so small. But I thought this went really nice with all the crosses and the Paris sign. So this is the toilet room or the water closet. Okay, and so you come in, and to the left is my closet. Hi there. And then in here is the master bath. So we'll start right over here. This is a couple photo shoots that my kids did at one point, so I put those back up. I had these. This is a collage of just a bunch of pictures of different trips and just times my kids and I, just the three of us. So that was there, but I, you know, changed where it was. And these I had in my room before, and we decided we just put them up around here. You'll see my daughter-in-law helped me. We just did them around the door, and I just love it. With the decals, I just think it looks really great. So then here starts the decals. Isn't it gorgeous? It looks like wallpaper. I am just absolutely in love with it. So this is like where the towels, my towel warmer, a bench here, my perfumes. And the plan is, I had these, well, I had 3 of them in my bedroom before. I love the frames. What we're going to plan to do is at Christmas time, when we do our family pictures, we're going to do one of all of us, and I'm going to have that here, and then one of the grandkids in that one. So kind of just updating the pictures and stuff. So, but is that not gorgeous? Those are decals. They're like stickers. And then you just add, you know, your floral or your greenery the way you want it. This is a white. I'm not sure if you can see it. This is like a cream color, and then another pink one. I could have done all of them right here, but I just wanted to kind of spread it out a little bit. This is where I keep my rope. I had this. It was in a dark metallic. I just spray painted it gold, and I think it just looks great. And then over here, I had this, spray painted this again. spray painted the base of this. So it's the same plant. This is the artwork I did. I've got to figure out a way to get that pushed down over there because it's making it look off. But I'm just so excited and I'm just so proud of myself that I did that and stuff. So anyhow, that's just a nice reminder in my bathroom for me. I just love to have some of, you know, family pictures around here. My kids' graduation pictures. I love the plant idea. These are all my face, you know, my washcloths when I wash my face right there by the sink. And then this is the TV for the bathroom. More of the decals. Isn't that just gorgeous? Oh, I am just so excited. I am sure you can tell. But this is, nothing really changed over here. This is just my vanity and just cleaned up and stuff. But this is just, this is where I put my makeup on. I've got a bench right there and makeup's there. This is the new rug. And it is just the most soft and plush rug. I mean, for $130 with tax, oh my gosh. It's just gorgeous. My grandbaby was in here earlier and she just laid down and was like, oh, this is fabulous. So here is a view looking from the closet of the bathroom now. Love it. It's just, you know, so fresh. And the great thing is, you know, if I get tired of these decals, I can just take them off. Okay, so you gotta let me know down in the comments below what you guys think and what's your favorite part and what room, you know, would you do something like this? And again, they don't have to just be the floral. They had all kinds of different kinds. You just have to search like decals, sticker decals, and other ones came up. I'll link these ones, but there's, you know, all kinds of them. But oh my gosh, if you stayed to the end and you saw the final reveal and everything and you waited to the whole end, please put a heart down in the comment section so I know who is sticking around to the very end. I just so hope I gave you some motivation and some ideas to spruce up a room. I mean, this really was an inexpensive way to really make a big difference, and I'm just so excited. So thank you so much. I will see you in the next one, and have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the all and the notification bell and the all. All right, have a great day. Bye.